Fashion loves a rebel, but Hollywood only celebrates the ones who play the game. Among the sparkle, luxury, and leather, there's one name you barely hear: Maggie Q. Not because she's irrelevant, but because she's too real for this industry to handle. While others wear the latest trends, she wears her values. This is the story of the most underrated fashion activist in Hollywood. Maggie Q began her career in the heart of the fashion machine, modeling in Tokyo, Hong Kong, and Taipei. There, she saw it all: the pressure to alter her body, the use of exotic animal skins, the obsession with image over integrity. But instead of rising through the ranks, she walked away. Why? Because she couldn't sell a look that cost lives. When Maggie shows up to a premiere, she's not trying to impress with diamonds or dead animals. Her fashion is sharp, tailored, and totally ethical. No leather, no fur, ever. For over 20 years, she's worn only cruelty-free fashion. She chooses designers like Stella McCartney, known for rejecting animal-based materials. Her aesthetic? Clean lines, powerful silhouettes, and a message in every thread. In the age of performative activism, Maggie Q is the real deal. While celebrities post eco-friendly hashtags one day and wear fur the next, Maggie's lifestyle doesn't change with trends. She's a decades-long vegan, a conservation advocate, and the founder of Activated You, a wellness company that promotes transparency and plant-based living. She doesn't do it for clout. She does it because it's who she is. So why isn't she on the cover of Vogue's sustainability issue? Why isn't she a front-row guest at Fashion Week's eco panels? Simple. She doesn't play the game. Maggie Q doesn't flirt with ethical fashion for attention. She exposes the hypocrisy of it, and the fashion industry doesn't reward rebels who can't be bought. Maggie Q is more than an actress. She's a mirror. She shows us what fashion could be if we stopped performing and started choosing better. Her legacy isn't stitched into the seams of the fashion elite. It's written in every decision she makes, every brand she rejects, every animal life she saves. In a world of fake fashion activism, Maggie Q is the real thing, and maybe it's time we finally paid attention. Maggie Q isn't chasing relevance. She's building a future, one where fashion respects life, all life. Her refusal to compromise makes her dangerous to the industry, but priceless to the planet. Young designers today are listening. Ethical brands are watching. And slowly, Maggie's quiet resistance is turning into a ripple that can't be ignored. She's the blueprint for what celebrity fashion could look like when it grows a conscience. In every movement, there's someone who stays true when it's not popular. That's Maggie Q. And whether the fashion world embraces her or not, history will remember her as someone who didn't flinch. So the next time you hear someone say fashion and activism can't mix, show them Maggie Q. Change is never easy, especially in an industry fueled by excess and image. Maggie has faced pushback, criticism, and the temptation to conform. But every time she stands firm, she challenges the status quo. Her story reminds us that integrity costs something. Sometimes fame, sometimes money, but it pays back in respect, authenticity, and real impact. Maggie Q's journey teaches us that real style goes beyond trends and labels. It's about choices, ethical, sustainable, compassionate choices. Her life urges viewers to question their own fashion consumption. Who made your clothes? What did it cost? And how can you be part of a movement that values more than just looks? As Craze Couture, we believe every voice counts. Maggie Q's quiet revolution is a call to action for all of us to demand better from fashion and from ourselves. So, whether you're a designer, a shopper, or just someone who loves style, start where you are. Because when enough people say no to cruelty, the industry has to listen. This is Craze Couture.